Hi everyone, my name is Lisette. Today I'm going to show you how I easily created a pocket-sized traveler's notebook from this Dollar Tree binder. The first step will be to remove the metal clip from the binder. With a paper trimmer, now cut the edges of the binder each side. Now I've included a template in the description box below. Go ahead and print it and you can use it as a reference guide. I'm going to clip it onto my binder sheet and I'm going to now draw the lines where I'll be cutting. I'm using a ruler because I want my lines to be straight, and I'm going to use a Crayola washable marker. That way I could remove the lines once I'm done. I'm also going to be drawing the lines that I'll be scoring. Next step would be to cut the sheet down with a paper trimmer. Now with a scoring board, you will score those two lines in the center, and you will also score one line in between those two lines. That center score should be the middle, and it should be in between the entire 1 inch, so it should be ½ inch. Now I'm going to round the corners with a corner punch. You will punch all 4 corners. Now I'm going to put the guide over my sheet so I can place marks on where the holes are going to be punched. Now I'm going to punch the holes with my crocodile. The center hole I will use my eyelet setter. Here I'm using 2mm elastic cord. I'm going to start to put in the first hole and then go down, come out through the bottom hole, and then loop around into the second hole. Now I must admit, I ended up using eyelets, and eyelets kind of slow you down, so I left the eyelets optional. It's up to you. I like the way they look, but they do slow you down in the sense of inserting the elastic band. Now you continue to insert the elastic to the next hole and then to the bottom and then back up. Now you insert into the third hole and leave the elastic band alone until the next step. Now you have to reinsert the elastic band to the center hole. And the same you would do in the bottom. You reinsert it in the center, and those two elastic bands will now meet. Now you will tie it and make a knot. If you like what you've seen so far, please comment below and give it a like. It's viewers like you that keep this channel going. Now cut an elastic cord and loop it and let it be as the length of the center hole to a little bit over the bottom of the traveler's notebook. Now you will insert it in the center and create a knot. And this traveler's notebook is complete. It is a pocket size. It is very cute, durable. I like the material of it. And I like the fact that the Dollar Tree had such a pretty pattern. I really fell in love with it. And I hope you did too. Thank you so much for tuning in. Also, if you want to see a flip through of this pocket-sized traveler's notebook, visit the link below. I've included it. Thank you for spending your time with me. Don't forget to follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Also, visit my Etsy shop. I have traveler's notebooks for sale there too. Have a great day and God bless. Bye-bye.